Why do some people succeed more than others? Why do some people seem miserable while others live happy life? Success and happiness, this is the combination we all hope to achieve. But the challenge is how to become more successful and how to feel more fulfilled. My name is Katarzyna Ostasz. I am a business and mind coach and certified Silva method instructor in Ireland. And in today's episode, I'm going to share with you five powerful steps that will help you to achieve or manifest anything what you desire. So make sure to stay with me for 3-4 minutes or so. The first step that will help you to achieve or manifest anything what you desire is acknowledge. Recognize your existing situation. How often we want to change something, but we have a difficulties with acknowledging it. So let's say you are unemployed. State to yourself that you need to change your situations, that you are unemployed and you need to look for a job. Or maybe you are not feeling well. You need to recognize your existing situation based on your symptoms, stating to yourself that you are not actually feeling well. This is a very important step that will help you to follow the next one in terms of achieving your desire. Step number 2 that will help you to achieve or manifest anything what you desire is establish your goal. Know your outcome. This is very, very crucial for ourselves and for our brain to know what we really want. So coming back to my previous example, let's say that you are unemployed. You need to know that you want to get a new job, that you want to come back to the employment once again. Write down your goal. Make sure that you are going to memorize it and repeat all over again. This is the next step that will help you to manifest your desire. Next step, step number 3 that will help you to manifest your desire is have a plan. Make some strategy. Specify what are you going to do to reach your goal. Having a plan is very helpful for us. So coming back to my previous example once again, write down some activities that you need to do in order to reach your goal. If you are unemployed, you know that you need to probably update or create a new CV. You need to contact a recruitment agency, or maybe you need to call to some recruitment agent that will be supporting you on the way in terms of getting your new job. Have a plan, and I'm going to tell you that you are going to be halfway through. Step number 4, and this is actually my favorite one that helps me to achieve my desire, is act. Take necessary actions in terms of reaching your goal. See, I am very much action-orientated person, and I know based on my experience so far that this is crucial for me to take necessary action in terms of reaching my goal. So send in your updated CV. Visit your recruitment agency. Call again your recruitment agents. You need to know that you need to do everything in order to reaching your goal. And the last step number 5 that unfortunately we kept forgetting to do is reward yourself. Claim your results. I believe that every single day you took your small baby steps in order to be closer to your goal. You did your best to reach your goal. So please make sure to reward yourself. Pat yourself at your back. You deserve it. Guys, I hope that I gave you some food for thought in today's episode, and I will see you soon in the next one.